Here is Light and Label with another unboxing, and today what we have is the Logitech K760 wireless solar keyboard, which is the next up from the K750. This is the brand new one, and it has, as you can see, it's powered by light. Wherever you go, it's good for the Mac, for the iPad, for the iPhone. And I just got this for $79 at Best Buy. And some of the features include you can use 3 devices, one easy step setup. Also, it's powered by the light inside and out, which is really good. I just sold my Mac keyboard on eBay, this one. So that's how I'm paying for half of this one. And it's basically the same feel good type, and so it's very nice. I've read really good reviews. It says easy switching right here, powered by light, and slim profile. So let's go ahead and open this puppy. I like the other one that I had, the Apple one. What I didn't like was the fact that every, I don't know, 2 months or whatever, I had to charge the batteries again. And with this one, I won't have to do that, because actually it says, let's see, it works for at least 3 months, so that's great. Alright, what's going on here? Alright, so here we have the box. Oh yeah, very nice. Nice and sleek. You can see my computer right there. So it's waiting patiently for its new keyboard. Let's take this out, put it aside, set it aside. And it comes with this booklet. It says, Getting Started with Logitech Wireless Solar Keyboard K760. Basically showing you how to set it up. Cool. And probably the warranty. Yep. Safety, regulatory, and warranty. Nothing else in the nice little box. Set that aside. Feels a little heavier than the other one. Very nice. Has the button on off here. Eject button. The 3 settings here. This is this nice solar panel. It's plasticky with like a, I don't know, aluminum cover, aluminum plastic covering here. And we can see the bottom of it, K760. And here you can see the Bluetooth button. Turn this around. And I like these anti-slid components here. It has 5 of them. Alright, let's peel this puppy. Ah, love that sound. Alright, and that's the unboxing of the Logitech Wireless Solar Keyboard K760. Thank you for watching. God bless.